Welcome to the world of vintage charm and modern creativity. In this exploration of old wooden furniture, we delve into the art of breathing new life into cherished pieces from the past. The unique beauty of vintage wood lies not only in its intricate craftsmanship, but also in the stories it tells. As more consumers seek sustainable and unique home decor, the potential for revitalizing old furniture has never been more significant. This journey is not just about aesthetics. It's about connecting the past with the present and creating functional art that transforms living spaces. In this video, we will uncover innovative strategies for refreshing old wooden furniture, illustrating how these timeless pieces can fit seamlessly into contemporary homes. From sustainable practices to creative marketing strategies, we will explore the myriad ways businesses and individuals alike can embrace and promote vintage furniture. Whether you're a seasoned artisan, a home decor enthusiast, or simply someone with a passion for preservation, the insights and ideas presented here will inspire new possibilities. Join us as we navigate the vibrant intersection of history, creativity, and modernity in the realm of furniture design. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights throughout the video. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more innovative ideas and DIY projects. One new video every day to keep your creativity flowing. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who appreciate unique home decor and sustainable practices. Together, we can celebrate the beauty of craftsmanship and encourage others to embrace the charm of vintage furniture. Happy crafting, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. In today's market, sustainability has become a cornerstone of consumer purchasing decisions. The desire for eco-friendly products drives many buyers toward refurbished old wooden furniture. Unlike new, mass-produced items, upcycled furniture not only reduces waste, but also tells a story of preservation and appreciation for craftsmanship. Businesses that focus on reviving vintage pieces can position themselves as champions of sustainability, attracting conscientious consumers who want to make ethical purchases. By highlighting the sustainable aspect of their products, companies can tap into a growing demographic willing to pay a premium for environmentally responsible goods. Customization is a powerful tool in a competitive market. By offering personalized touches such as custom paint colors, fabric choices, or unique carvings, businesses can cater to a wide array of tastes and preferences. Each piece can become a canvas for individual expression, allowing customers to envision how the furniture will fit into their unique home aesthetics. This unique customization not only enhances the appeal of old wooden pieces, but also fosters emotional investment among customers. When people feel that a product has been tailored to their specifications, they are more likely to value it, leading to higher sales margins and associated repeat business. The amalgamation of traditional craftsmanship with contemporary design can create striking furniture that appeals to diverse audiences. Mixing vintage wooden elements with modern materials like glass or metal can create a unique juxtaposition that resonates with consumers. For instance, an old wooden cabinet with sleek metal handles becomes a bridge between styles, inviting both nostalgia and modernity. Such innovative designs can help a brand stand out, offering pieces that not only serve functional purposes, but also act as art installations. By embracing this cross-pollination of styles, businesses can foster brand loyalty among customers who appreciate both historic and modern sensibilities. Effective marketing strategies are essential for capturing the attention of potential buyers. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase before and after transformations of refurbished furniture can be a compelling narrative. Engaging storytelling, combined with high-quality visuals, can draw consumers in and create an instant emotional connection. Campaigns that highlight the craftsmanship and the story behind each piece can further enhance appeal. For example, sharing a historical background or the inspiration behind a furniture piece can evoke admiration, leading customers to feel they are purchasing not just a product, but a piece of art with a history. Collaboration can enhance creativity and broaden product offerings. Working with local artisans allows businesses to incorporate unique styles and techniques that might not be available through traditional channels. This collaboration not only nurtures community relations, but also results in genuinely distinctive products that attract customers. By showcasing the skills of local makers, businesses can build credibility and engage a customer base that values local craftsmanship. Furthermore, these partnerships can lead to limited edition collaborations or pop-up events that draw attention and create buzz, enhancing visibility in crowded markets. Launching seasonal collections based on themes or trending color palettes keeps inventory fresh and encourages customer engagement. For instance, a collection featuring warm, earthy tones for fall or bright pastels for spring can create anticipation among buyers. Seasonal promotions can spark excitement and boost sales, as customers often seek to update their homes with each change of the season. Moreover, showcasing how old wooden furniture can take on new life with seasonal touches encourages creativity. Businesses can also host workshops or online tutorials for DIY updates, engaging customers and fostering community through shared projects. With the rise of e-commerce, establishing a strong online presence is paramount for businesses specializing in refurbished furniture. Online platforms like Etsy provide a vast reach to potential customers far beyond geographic limitation. The furniture business is ever evolving, and staying abreast of design trends, consumer preferences, and emerging technologies is essential for sustained success. Actively participating in industry trade shows or workshops can provide valuable insights. Networking with peers and professionals can foster collaboration and inspiration, pushing a brand to innovate continually. Embracing a mindset of continuous learning will enable businesses to adapt visions and strategies in a rapidly changing market landscape, ensuring they remain fresh and competitive over time. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in exploring the world of revitalizing old wooden furniture. We hope you found inspiration and practical ideas that you can apply to your own projects. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more creative content that celebrates craftsmanship and sustainability. We post a new video every day to keep your creativity alive. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might also appreciate the beauty and history of vintage furniture. Your support helps us continue to create content that inspires and educates. So, let's spread the joy of upcycling together. We can't wait to welcome you back for our next adventure in design.